Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I'm fine. Social media marketing important and social media benefit. Social media marketing total discuss the short time the social media importance is social media marketing. Why is social media marketing important and benefits? Consumer needs to browse the social media when they want to know more about organization or products because that when they find others talking about the business. What is you don't have? Social media performance will miss a great opportunity to make a importance. Take to look there the start on social media marketing strategy important business success. The 71% customer who have had positive experience with the brand social media like and comment here. The 90 millions people, 7.80%, 7.8% generation, and etc. The 42 babies in social media users. Facebook alone the 3.7 billion user, the active user on social media. You customer appeal the using social media channel every day multi-time and check and blogs how much and average person send in social media. Social media is the ideal place the brand looking the gain and this audience and achieve in status and growth. In an increase competitor event evaluation and moment your business can't afford a miss hour on social media. It is essential and competitor the social media influencer page. Where are those new influencer start trends in advertising? The importance of social media marketing, the simple point, the five benefits of social media marketing. You concept the social media marketing has converted over year. If you is sole purpose of using social media channel was the generate web traffic and targeted audience and targeted people, targeted customers. Has delivered in some time more than just in play and broadcast and content. You can have the social media marketing strategy SMM. Please to achieve and broadcast the benefit from the creating two-way conversion with the potential customer to explain reach and win over your email. I am going to manage to top 5 benefits of social media marketing. Social media marketing, that means SMM. Consideration where up with a new audience from your business. There are nothing worse than the freaking to cold audience or people who have been interested with your brand before. Social media marketing opens up doors to tools and tricks and make it easy open new audience for your business. Facebook and other social media platform always you are use the content and content create within the potential audience and potential customer, potential targeted audience, targeted people, and the owner themselves. While hard to grade people attention, you can easily break through to notice and the engagement and content. SMM build a strong relationship with the customers. If you think social media marketing is all about selling and pro- promotion, retaking successful brands contain and engage with their social media audience to build the listing a relationship. For interest, when they share something the platform, they response whoever comment and question they provide them any assistance they may need. Either then selling your products or service. You can simply ask your social media followers questions about your products, share something that could make life easy for your audience or customers. This way, you build trust and show them how much you can about their needed and opportunity. It is always a must to save people first before asking them to invest with you. For example, one of the best social media strategies that we use in our equipment and competitors, Facebook community, Twitter community, Instagram, etc. etc. We use this the Facebook group, Twitter group, Instagram group, WhatsApp group. Please taken about life and business, share code through the strategy and real just great to know others like millions people like you. A Facebook group and great and use social media to grow locally audience people of will advance for your business and brand for lifetimes. Number three, social media marketing, that means SMM, that generate more leads and conversion. Platform like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, WhatsApp, YouTube, etc. etc. The lot of social media platform always companies that generate lead. You can use a mix of paid and organic trackings to boost conversion. Video marketing, paid and campaign, giving us an email in this sum their leads strategy to grade forecast into your sales funnel. For example, running a given campaign on Facebook can be help boost any list of qualified email address, etc. Science everywhere, happiness online social media marketing is mentioned quick and easy way the build database and forecast with increase visibility, your business, friends, plenty of opportunity for conversion. Completing content can lead your social media followers to your company's website and turn trust into loyal customer. Number 4, SMM, social media marketing, give you a large up on companies and competitors. The competitor analysis, market posting, and market sharing. There are a lot of trends from your company's social media process. Is it lazy or you have just standard explanation, social media, and look good marketing ideas? The progressive, the companies always moment their companies it's a point work from them and within tracking with your companies up the short key part of social media marketing strategy. You can start experiment with these that are working for your companies. For example, if you paid Facebook ad campaign, Google ad campaign, other social media ad campaign, the generation good result for your competitors, you should try it too. However, you should not copy your companies in order the code that run requesting make the sure stand out. If you would like to see what type of Facebook ads your competitors and shares audience sees during the visibility Facebook and libraries, the ad libraries provide advertising transcription by the offering the companies sharing cloth collection the all ads carrying running for access Facebook apps service including Instagram. The 5 SMS is cost effective. Social media marketing is probably the most cost effective and drivers always promote business. The dozen anything care of proceed social media network site easy can point to run paid campaign the boost your content cost 11 low competitive companies others advertising platform when don't oil change your products grade them your investment are higher. If paid advertising the part of social media marketing strategy, there are short some work your way up as the because more complement. There are always sometime you can do this important digital advertising result. Friends, very important part of social media marketing, important social media importance and social media benefits. Thank you. Best of luck.